Digestion is the driving seat of good health. This is the key to your longevity and good vitality. Simply put, it means keeping your gut function strong and clean, keeping your bodily tissues clean, keeping the tissues of the mental channels clean. So what is the fire of digestion? Your digestive fire is responsible for breaking down food and nutrients, and without it, you won't be able to fully nourish your body. Warmth is necessary for any digestive process to occur. Anything we ingest has to be digested, from the food we eat to the environmental impact, including all chemicals, pollutants, pollen, dust, fumes, and perfumes, to the feelings of the heart, to the experiences of the mind. To do this, it's important to pay attention to not only what you are eating, but how. Here are some tips. Number 1, eat in moderation, not too much or too little, not too frequently and not too infrequently. Stop eating when you are 70% full, or you know taking another bite will fill you up so much that it will be impossible to get up and walk. 2, eat and chew your food slowly. At least 50% of digestion takes place in the mouth. 3, eat in a relaxed environment away from distractions such as social media, TV, eating at the desk. 4, avoid wrong food combinations like mixing milk with fruits, hot and cold foods together, drinking tea straight after a meal. 5, eat at regular times each day as close as possible. 6, do not skip meals. Eat breakfast, heavier lunch and lighter dinner. 7, eat in seasoned fruits and vegetables. Raw food, although more nutritious, is cold and heavy on the stomach, therefore harder to digest, creating gas in the body. 8, cook food from scratch. 9, during menstruation, it's best to eat lightly and not to overeat, as the digestive energy goes to support the menstrual cycle's reproductive function. Things which will dampen the digestive fire and create toxins in the body instead of nourishing are: 1, drinking water right before or straight after a meal. 2, taking a bath right after a meal or breakfast. 3, drinking water after exercise. 4, do not sleep straight after a meal. After 30 minutes, do some light exercise, even if it's walking 100 yards. The body is essentially about communication, flow, through an intricate system of channels. All these channels depend on process and flow, which dictates the effectiveness of communication. Blockages in any of these channels is a cause of health issues. In challenges and stresses such as trauma, grief, illness, the digestive energy is dispersed elsewhere in the body as a coping mechanism, weakening the gut function. Good digestion equals good immunity. Good immune integrity means emotional intelligence and vitality. Making time to nourish your digestion creates a daily space for contemplation, inner reflection, and meditation. This creates a healthy flow between the metabolic organs, the gut, the nervous system, and the mental channels, nourishing your emotional life, your heart, your breathing, and your overall health. By taking care of your gut, you are taking care of your overall health and well-being.